Hi there, I am Moises Israel C. Abel, Teacher 3 of Bawan Technical High School, an educator by profession, a DepEd MTOP scholar by grace, and a learner by heart. I am honored to present to you one of my researches, General Mathematics Online Remedial Program or GMORP, a remedial program in the new normal. December 2019. One of the biggest news was Philippines' worst 2018 PISA ranking among 79 countries in reading comprehension, science, and math. January 2020, Taal volcano erupted. March, we became limited due to quarantines. We were forced to navigate through the metamorphosis of our usual ways to hopefully reach an equilibrium we dare to dub as new normal. April. Most of educators began to mull over how to be equipped prior to school year 2020-2021 through webinars. Webinars which became oddly available here and there, now and then, for few and large audience, and as a massive open online course or MOOC, so to speak, in the new normal. From supposedly June, that became August 24, but happened actually in October 5, classes in public school started unconventionally, but with a great resolve to continue learning amidst pandemic, we, teachers, delivered. For 6 of us, general mathematics teachers of school year 2020 to 2021 of Bawan Technical High School, it meant catering to around 1,100 grade 11 students, or to 4 to 6 classes, with an average class size of 55 who signed up for printed modular distance learning. Imagine the paperworks. Challenging, right? After the first quarter, we solicited feedbacks. True enough, students were struggling. So, parents requested remediation even through online platform. Printed modular distance learning in online platform. Odd. With webinars or the MOOCs of new normal and DepEd MTOP Saturday class program as our models, GMORP came into fruition. At the end of the program, we ask, is it worth it? Hence, I decided to conduct this study with these research questions. 1. What is the academic performance in general mathematics prior to GMORP of participants and non-participants? 2. What is the academic performance in general mathematics after GMORP of participants and non-participants? With this performance, I ask, is there a significant difference between the academic performance of the participants in general mathematics prior and after the program? 4. Is there a significant difference between the academic performance in general mathematics after GMORP between the participants and non-participants? 5. What are the challenges encountered by the students in attending GMORP? Lastly, with all these inputs, what remedial program may be proposed to improve students' academic performance in general mathematics. The researcher used exploratory sequential design in the conduct of the study. The variable challenges encountered by the students is the point of integration of qualitative inputs from questionnaire and quantitative inputs from documentary analysis. The magnitude of academic performance in different periods were statistically measured using average. And to measure the impact of GMORP to its participants, paired t-test for two sample means was used to measure the difference. On the other hand, single-factor ANOVA was used to determine if there's a difference between the participants and non-participants of GMORP after the program. Participants of the study were divided into 4 tiers using quartiles of the academic performance prior to GMORP. Using clustered sampling, identified were all 76 participants of a single GenMath teacher out of 228 students who participated in the program. Paired to them are 76 non-participants handled by the same GenMath teacher. Strategically, the first quarter grade in GenMath was used to gauge the academic performance of students prior to GMORP. With no other added intervention, on the other hand, second quarter grade was used for the academic performance of students after the implementation of GMORP. Results of the study. At the onset, we can see a disparity between the participants and non-participants' academic performance prior to GMORP. Observe that students with higher performance tend to attend more. The enigma of the word remedial program did not hold, but the law of effect is more likely observed. That is why an activity with open invitation like GMORP would gather more students in the upper quartile than those students in the lower quartile. Hence, participants would have higher performance prior to the program against non-participants. Apparently, the group who participated in GMORP had a higher average than the group that did not after the program. So, to better characterize it, we use paired samples for two means t-test, and it showed that there was a significant difference between the academic performance prior to the program and the academic performance after the program of those who participated in GMORP. This means that the data presents sufficient evidence to claim that GMORP does have an effect in the academic performance in GenMath of participating students. Furthermore, a one-way between subjects ANOVA was conducted to compare the effect of participation to GMORP. The result conforms to the previous result. Hence, we conducted post-analysis, and based on the result, GMORP is effective to students who were initially at the median or below of the distribution of academic performance in GenMath. However, GMORP has no significant effect on academic performance of students above the median. This validates that GMORP is intended to be a remedial program. With internet access as the biggest challenge to surmount, pitted against the promising effect of GMORP, we dared to propose a similar remedial program. That's 10 minutes, and I say thank you and God bless. Keep safe.